I am Dr. T.V. Raja, a foot and ankle surgeon and a foot reconstructive surgeon. The Podiatree Clinic is a new innovative diabetic foot clinic which is operating in 4th floor of Aysha Hospital. It is a new brand we are introducing in diabetic foot care. This center is going to be a joint and limb preservation center, mainly an amputation prevention center in the heart of Chennai. So, we are going to deal with diabetic foot patients in wound healing, in rehabilitation and reversal of diabetic foot, and mainly dealing with diabetic neuropathy and reversal of diabetic neuropathy. I have been working in the field of diabetic foot for the past 25 years, and now this is a new brand that is launched. We are already operating in T Nagar. Now we have started in Purushavakam in a new brand name. Thank you very much.